Hello and welcome to my video, lesson 2.8 and 2.9, talking about integers. So first of all, what is an integer? Well, I want you guys to think about temperature. Whenever I say the word integer, think about temperature, especially degrees Celsius, which is what we use here in Canada. So water freezes or melts at 0. Or melts at this temperature. Below that, we say it's cold, and so in math we're going to say it's negative. I might use the word cold to remind you. And above that, we say it's warm, and in math we use the word positive. But I might use the word warm to remind you. So any whole number or any negative whole number. So for example, 0 is a whole number, 1, 2, 3, 1,500, okay, any whole number, or any negative whole number. So negative 7, negative 9, negative 1, negative 100, okay, any negative whole number. Now 0 is in the middle, so it counts as, like, it's not positive, it's not negative, it's 0. It's different, okay? So maybe I should put that in the middle to just say that separately. Okay, so if we're comparing integers, for example, this question says, order the following from least to greatest. We need to start with the biggest negative number, because thinking about temperature, when it's minus 50 outside, it's the coldest, right? So here, we've got negative 100 as our coldest temperature, then negative 8, then negative 5 is warmer, 0 is warmer, 1 is even warmer, and we're going to keep going up until we get to the last one. Okay, so I ordered those from least to greatest. Okay, so this next part here is not actually in 2.9, but it is a little extension that, if you understand it now, will help you so much when you get to grade 7. It says, add the following integers. 5 plus negative 3 equals. So I want you to think about the number line. Okay? So wherever you start, that's the number you want to start at. So we're at 5 here. Okay? And then if it says adding a negative 3, we're going down by 3. So this would have been 4, 3, 2. So this answer is 2.
Mr. Buena, you have a cold.
So this one would be 2. Another way of showing this is how most mathematicians will do it, and they'll show it like this. It's 5. Instead of going plus negative 3, if it's a plus and a minus, so if it's a plus and a minus, that means it's a minus. So 5 minus 3 equals 2, and that's true. If we have a plus and a plus, it's like plus. If we have a minus and a plus, it's like a negative. And if we have a negative and a negative, it's like a plus. Okay, so I'll show you guys all of these in a second. Let's show this other one here. If we have, starting at 4, so this was the number 4, we're going to go down by 9, because now it says plus a negative 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have to go 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Okay, so this answer would be negative 5. Another way to show it is 4 minus 9. But this is kind of weird. You can't take away 9 from 4. There aren't enough. But there are enough now that you've heard about integers. All you have to do is keep going further down. So it's negative 5. Okay? Another way you can think about it is if you're at negative 9 and you add 4, you're going to get to negative 5. So if you go up 4 degrees Celsius from -9, you're going to be at -5 degrees Celsius. Just going to show some of, so we just looked at these examples. This one we should know, but let's just show that. So 5 plus a positive 2, all that means is 5 plus 2. So that'd be 7. That's really simple. And this one is kind of weird looking. If you go like 5 minus a -2, like that, now it would be 5 plus 2. So 2 negatives make a positive. So I had 2 negatives here, and they turned into a positive. Okay, so now I've got 7. I hope that this video helps with integers, and good luck.